Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'll be recreating the TikTok trend with the cloud walls and the cloud ceilings. So let's get into it. This is the area I'll be covering, and I'm going to be adding mirrors on this wall. And these mirrors come from Walmart. And this is how the mirrors look when I added them on the walls. It wasn't hard to do. I just put one mirror up and one down, and I just continued until the wall was finished. Next, I pre-cut some poster board pieces, and I'm going to be adding them in between the mirrors. And you can use thumbtacks or whatever you prefer to use to hang them up. And I'm adding the poster board to the wall to protect the wall from the spray. Here's the bag of cotton that I'll be using and the Gorilla Glue spray. So I'm going to take a handful of cotton and I'm going to take the Gorilla Glue spray, and spray, a nice amount on top, and then just attach it to the wall. It actually sprays really well and it holds up really well. And I'd say be careful on how close you're spraying the spray to the cotton, because the cotton does build up on the spray bottle after a while, and it is very hard to get off. So I did this first panel just to see what it looked like, but I was waiting for the lights to come in from Amazon. So these are the strip LED lights that I got from Amazon, and I believe I used like 4 packs. So what I'm doing is going around the perimeter of the mirrors, and then I'm gonna do like some little squiggly designs in between. You can pretty much do whatever design you like to do. I just wanted to make sure that the perimeters were covered with the LED light because I wanted that design to show through the cotton. And I know y'all probably wondering, who would need this in their house? But this was for a client, so this is not my house that I'm doing. But this project was actually really fun to do. So every now and then I did cut off the lights to see how it looked. And as you can see, it's going great. And I've started to add the zigzag lines in each panel. Next, we are headed to the ceiling. Yes, we are adding lights on the ceiling. We want this whole room to be filled with just cotton and lights, just cotton and LED lights. And I'll tell you this, the more lights, the better the outcome, period. And now I'm just going to be doing some lightning zigzag lines on the ceiling also. And like I said before, feel free to add that white poster paper on the wall or on the ceiling to cover your walls. And now I'm continuing to add the cotton to the panels, and I'm going to be doing this until I am finished, and then I will be going down the sides of the mirror to cover that part also. And here's a clip of me adding cotton to the other wall. I didn't show the whole process because it's the same as the other wall I just showed. This project was actually very easy to do. It was just a lot of cotton and I had to wash my hands a million times. And this was the outcome. I love the ceiling. I love the look. This is definitely giving Funhouse vibes, and I hope no one comes home drunk because listen, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and like always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you later, glitter babes.